And now we have a VM3 3.5 kilowatt, and we have unknown fault because let's check. First, I need to provide the power for operating. Dip area. Okay, now I need to turn on. It's okay. I I am calling this part unknown part. Okay. Let's get started or troubleshoot this unknown fault. And this VM3 3.5 kilowatt. First of all, I need to set on my favorite position. So that I need to remove the top core screw. Okay. It's not good to remove from here. Remove the dust filter. After that, we need to remove because we have. Okay. First, I need to remove these two screws. Remove like this. Okay, we have one LED strip in this control drive card. First, you need to set your hot temperature, hot air gun on 200 degrees centigrade. After that, you need to provide hot air to this glue for melting just for 15 seconds, and after that you can remove like this. Okay, and after that we have here one strip for LED power. Okay, now we can remove the top core. Okay. After that we need to remove this LCD strip. Again, provide hot air for 15 seconds, 200 degrees centigrade. After that, you can remove easily. Okay. Oh, the man who attached wires with in control card. So we need to remove from here because a person who attached this wire, and I think this is from the company. Okay.
शेर मोहम्मद पैदा शो
नमड़ा
कसम पखदे
oh
फटाफट के बराबर शो
oh lagi sare jonde paida sho
काय का मातिया रुपई दी
ah
ए फटाफट के दे मा
हाँ सही શું કરી દે છે ગંદે બરાબર છું આમન દેખું ગાલા
આમાં લે ખાઈ ગયા
શું કરે okay now we need to remove this plastic air ventilation core remove carefully okay and this is the difficulties in this repairing and this wire is attached a company I think okay I was does a mistake I threw the zip ties but I have one are reminding to install again so okay we need to remove this small communication circuit from here but first we need to remove the strip of this here we have a strip for this now you can remove easily okay now we need to remove this strip it's okay now here we have one for AC input and I need to remove with angle tweezer first I need to provide hot air to melt a glue and after that I can remove this easily set your hot air gun on 200 to melt the glue and after that you can remove okay and now we need to remove this output neutral output line input neutral input line okay and after that we need to remove this solar charge controller first here we have a bus positive this is the bus positive strip and this is the bus negative take care about other components okay don't touch and after that we have one strip here first we need to remove the glue or melt the glue with hard air wet जरा
دعوة كورتي
कोटा पैसा
هذا ما هذا
बात सही है
شو أصلا هذا هم
okay sorry for that we need to remove this. It's okay. Listen. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, remove. Now we need to remove these screws. Here we have two, and on the center we have two screws on this charge controller. And here we have two on this. After that we can remove, and here we need to remove this bus, PV positive and PV negative. And after that we need to keep this unsafe area, and after that we can remove our main board. Okay, but before we need to remove this control drive card and this strip with this, and we need to connect with this because here attach wires directly with the control drive card. So first we need to remove this control drive card. Remove easily. Okay, keep on the safe area. And after that we need to remove this small circuit for communication. After that we need to remove the main board screws. Here we have one. Here we have one. Here we have one. It's okay. We need to check about more screw. Here we have one. One is here. Sorry for vibration. I touch the camera. Okay. We need to remove this, but first we need to remove this switch. We need to provide hot air for melting the glue. Okay, that you can remove easily. Now we need to remove this switch. And after that we can remove our main board. Here we have a pen strips. First we need to remove this. Okay, we need to provide hot air because we have a glue on this, so we need to provide hot air to 100 degrees centigrades. Okay, and after that you can remove easily. Okay, now we need to remove our main board from body, and I think we have one screw in the bottom side of this connector. We need to remove this connector first. Yes, here we have one screw. Remove carefully, okay? Don't touch the board with body. After that I need to keep this body on the side, and this is our main board. Okay. First we need to check our DC to DC boost section MOSFETs. Set your multimeter on continuity mode. Okay, and after that this is our MOSFET pin number 1 gate, 2 drain, 3 source. Okay, for all this, so keep the multimeter negative probe on the pin number 2 drain, and keep the multimeter positive probe on the pin number 3 source. We need to discharge a capacitor. Okay, I am discharging little have. Okay, and after that we can check. You need to wait for this capacitor is discharging. Okay, that's okay. Now we need to check the control drive for this MOSFET. Reverse the multimeter probes. Okay, and we need to have on this polarity. That's okay. This drive and this MOSFET is okay. And we need to check this same process. Okay, it's okay. Now we need to check. It's okay. The control drive is okay. It's okay. Now we need to check this third section. Okay, this is okay. Now we need to keep on the gate multimeter negative. It's okay. Now we need to reverse. It's okay. Now we need to check this final last. It's okay. Now we need to check about the control drive. It's okay. Now we need to reverse polarity. It's okay. Our DC to DC section is okay. Now we need to check from DC to AC converting area section.
Michele? Essa parte
ताजेक सारा होगा ना ताकि तो कंप्लीट चेंज को
بدل شو ورقة إذا بس هيك عم ترى تزوج
475
475
2626
هذا زور نمبر ده
هذا زول نمبر
سوريا وديك انت
1200
1200
طب زي زب قرار ما لقي
بس شو ما يجي مروان
صبر okay sorry Parvet I need to give our inverter to the customer. Now we need to check our DC to AC converting section IGBTs. Okay, so this is the pin number 1 IGBT gate, the pin number 2 collector, and the pin number 3 emitter. Okay, so keep the multimeter negative on the pin number 2 and positive on the pin number 3. It's okay. We need to check this. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, we have a short circuit in this MOSFETs. Sorry, high GBTs. Now we need to check this. Short. Okay. We need to remove this 5 IGBT first, and we can find a true resistance IGBT. Okay. First, we need to remove this 5 IGBT. Okay, and the light is warm light around 3200 K temperature, because are not reflection. And when I provide a white light or milky white light around 6500 K temperature, so after that we have a lot of reflection from board. For this reason I am providing a 3200 K temperature light. Okay, now we have some reflection, but this is the heat sink and this is the shining thing, so we cannot do more anything with this. Okay, and after that we need to provide a hot air to this IGBT area, because we need to remove safely. Okay, and we need to damage it without damaging any thermopad area. Okay, so we need to provide first a hot air like 350 degrees centigrades to this IGBTs. Okay, and if you are not providing the hot air and you are removing the IGBTs, so you can damage your isolation pad or thermopad. But the meaning is this pad, as you can see. Okay, you need to provide hot air to this area, and don't remove first the screws completely. Okay, first you need to just lose the screws around. You need to turn four revolutions. Okay, and after that you need to provide a hot air approximately per 1 minute and 1.5 minute. Okay, and after that you can remove this without damage isolation pad. Okay, and after that you need to have a flat screwdriver from there.
Where are you?
Okay, like that. Okay, and after that you need to apply a force from this small IGBT, and don't touch the isolation pad. Okay, now you need Okay, and like this. Okay, and after that you need to remove the screw completely. Okay. And if you know about the good method to remove this, so you need to share with me. Okay, now I need to separate completely from heatsink. Don't touch the isolation pad. Okay, it's okay. Now I need to remove complete this IGBTs first. How you can remove this IGBTs or MOSFET from any circuit, okay, not just like inverter. So first you need to provide some new solder to this pin. The one method is that, okay, the one famous and easy method is that people are using first this desoldering pump to remove a lot of solder. Okay, this is the one method. First I am removing. Okay, and people are also using the desoldering wick like this. People are using this method to remove the IGBTs or MOSFET or any component from this two-layer PCB, because this is a little difficult. So I am using this method first. Okay. The smoke are coming from the soldering flux. Okay, I have already a soldering flux and this desoldering wick. Okay, and I apply this in the liquid shaft. The one method is that people are using. Okay, and after that people are engineers like this smoothly. Okay, the one method is that to remove the IGBT or MOSFETs, okay, safely. And I have a special thing to quick remove this. So the method is that first you need to provide some new solder to this pin, and let's check and how much time I can remove this IGBT. Safe method and better than. Okay, first you need to solder this pins with good solder wires. Okay, and after that I have a special tip on removing this IGBT. Okay, we need to do it for some seconds to heat up. Okay, knots per minutes. Okay, it's okay. And after that, you need to keep on this IGBT fins and melt this 3 solders at a time. Okay, and if the IGBT fall down automatically, that's okay. And if not fall down automatically, or you can call, so you need to provide a force from this side with this little screwdriver. Okay, but already we remove the IGBT. It's okay. All the IGBTs are fall down automatically. Okay, we have this for IGBTs. Okay, and now I need to check the IGBTs. How many IGBTs we have with true resistance and how many we have in short circuits. First I need to zoom out the camera. I have a glove so the touch are not working and gloves. It's okay. Now I need to check. Okay, I wear my glove again. Short, short, short. This 3 is already short. Okay, and now we need to check this. And how you can check this? First you need to keep the multimeter negative probe on the pin number 2. This is pin number 3, internal resistance. Reverse the multimeter probe and provide a positive on the gate, and after that check. Okay, we have a continuity. It's mean this IGBT is okay. We need to check this again. Okay, and when you apply a positive voltage and you not receive with this polarity a continuity, so it's mean this IGBT is not working. So now we have no any resistance or continuity, and when I apply the positive voltages on the gate, okay, we have a resistance. So this 2 IGBT is ready for use, and this 3 is shorted. Okay, so first of all we need to check about the gate drive of this damaged IGBTs. So I am sharing with you the special thing how you can check control drive of this. We remove one IGBT from here, and we have a gate drive resistor for this IGBT, 47 ohm resistor. Okay, this 47 ohm resistor is connected with the IGBT gate for drive the IGBT. Okay, and first we need to check this. If you have a true resistance for this gate drive resistor, so you need to don't worry about the drive. Okay, and when you receive a broken or devalue or blasted resistor, so you need to check the control drive circuit. Okay, now we need to check this. So here we have for drive resistor for 22 ohm. Okay, so first we need to check this 22 ohm resistor. Okay, and we have a 22 ohm resistance. That's okay. It's okay. And the second thing is that If you receive a broken IGBT or broken MOSFET or broken transistor, so you need to check more than okay the drive. And when you receive the short IGBT with this true body, no any area is broken or blasted, okay, so you need to don't worry about the gate drive, okay. And this is the one thing, and this is the second you can confirm from this gate drive resistor, okay. Now I need to just replace the IGBTs, and after that I need to check this, okay. First I need to remove this solder to install IGBTs. Okay, now I need to just remove this solder. Okay, I clean all the solder mask of this IGBT, and let's check about the prints. No any print are damaged, okay. Now I need to install the IGBTs. Okay, I have a IGBT, full out IGBTs, the ST company GW60H65. But first I need to provide a long fins. Okay, this is my need to first provide, and how you can this. First you need like this heatsink to hold for you IGBTs, and first of all you need to cut these pins from here, okay, like this, okay. Okay, and after that I need bar one more. Okay, in the middle I can install this. Okay, we need to install a same IGBTs and same amps and 4 and we can install any company or any brand, but we need to install a IGBT. Okay, so first I need to check this IGBTs because this is the full out IGBTs I purchased also. And why I'm using, yesterday I received some new diodes, and this is the fake logo on company. Okay, as you can see, this is the on logo, but this is not the real thing. And the reason is that I am using a pull out because this is the original, and I can use this because I know about the IGBT working. Okay, so first I need to check this IGBT, and after that I need to connect the long fins, and after that I need to clean this and install this. Okay, check like previous work. Okay, after that you need to reverse the polarity, and after that you need to provide positive on the gate, and now check, that's okay, this is okay, this is the internal resistance, no any continuity, it's okay. Apply the gate positive, check, it's okay. Now the turn of this, it's okay. Reverse polarity, apply, it's okay. Internal, reverse, apply, it's okay. Now I can use this IGBT because this all IGBTs is okay. Now how you can attach the fins to make a long pin IGBTs, just learn. Okay, first you need to attach this with this screw to just hold for you. Okay, get one heatsink like this or like another, but you need to have a space, okay, to attach temporary. It's okay. Now just check. First I need to zoom in. It's okay. And now I need to set the position. That's okay. And now we have a short IGBTs. Don't throw this in the scrap. If you need to make a short pin IGBT and long pin, and if you receive like this type of IGBTs or MOSFET, so you need to know about the driver and check. Okay, now cut these pins from these IGBTs. Okay, from here. Okay, okay, now you can through this. It's okay. Now first of all you need to clean these pins with thinner and cotton swab. Here is my cleaner. Okay. Okay. First you need to clean this from dust. or other materials. Okay, and after that set the position, direction. You need to straight this first. It's okay. And now just solder this first. Keep your soldering station on 400 and you can use your favorite tip. Okay, first you need to solder this. Okay, okay, and after that you need to keep a pin and tweezer. Okay, and set the position and melt the solder and just keep. Okay, now we need to install this back pin in the center. Okay, okay. This pin is not okay. It's okay. Now just last pin. Connect this. Okay. Now you need to remove this. this extra solder. In this situation, you need to keep your soldering station on 400 and you need to quickly remove, okay? Quickly, because you solder a pin and you need to quickly remove the extra solder, okay? Or you need to first remove, but if you have a soldering ideas, so you can remove in this situation or this time, okay? Don't apply more than heat to melt this point again, okay? Now I need to straight the fin. It's okay. Now I need to clean this, install again. I need to clean this. The important area is there to clean, okay, because this is attaching with the heatsink and share a heat with heatsink, or heatsink are observing the heat of this IGBT, so you need to keep clean this, okay? This is the important thing for cleaning. You need to clean this, okay? Okay, already cleaned this. Now I need to just install this IGBTs, and after that I need to provide a power to check. Okay, so in the middle first I need to install this IGBT and take care about this side, okay? You need to keep clean this body. You can install IGBT with this angle tweezer like this, and I think just I need to set, that's okay. It's okay. I need to install this 4 more. It's okay. I need to install this with gloves. This is a little hard to install. And why? We have a little solder on this side. First I am trying on this. If I remove successfully, yes. I remove the solder from this mask. And now I need to set the IGBTs distance. This pin distance is not enough. I need to set this first. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I think this is easy to install with fingers. First I need to set the distance. Okay. And after that I need to install. It's okay. To install one more. It's okay, and now we need to tighten this. It's okay. It's okay. Welcome to N. Two viewers. It's okay. I think the technology videos are not liking, but I don't care about this. Likes and shares and subscribe. I'm just doing my work with you, with some people. I'm sharing my knowledge with him. It's okay. It's okay. Now we need to check the continuity with heatsink, and after that we can solder this. Okay, set your multimeter on continuity mode, and this is the heatsink continuity. This is the heatsink screws. Okay, so first we need to check the middle pin with these screws. Okay, no any continuity we have, that's okay. Here, no any continuity we have, that's good. Now we need to just solder this first. Okay, it's okay. Now, I need to just clean this on the time. Okay, and I need to purchase more cotton swab. I have just these pieces, and this is the reserve pieces. First I need to keep this in my box. Oh man, it's a little hard in the gloves. Oh, so I'm keeping here. Okay, it's hard to keep in the gloves. Okay, let's check the soldering. Okay, I need to dry this liquid. Now I need to provide a voltages and connect the solar charge controller with this. Okay, because this is the combined system. Okay, this area is enough. Crazy high from VA where man. Okay, first I need to watch my this live stream on my another device because I need what's going on in camera. It's okay. And first I need to one comment. Hi from VA from here man. Crazy Trainist TV. Huh. Okay, are you watching me now? You text on 4:42 p.m. here, 4:42, and now the time is here 5:32. So sorry for late reply. That's okay. Now we need to just install. This strap is important to install, and this okay, and this is the bus positive, bus negative, okay. Yeah, now you need to install the control drive card, okay, here. And this strip is important. Okay, this is not important in the backup mode, but we need to check. This is just installed for AC sense section, okay. That's okay. And now I need to connect this with LCD. This is the LCD strap. Okay, now I'm just keeping here on the side first, and then we have no area to keep this, so I'm keeping here this. And now I need to provide a power for operating, and we need to provide a feedback for cooling fan. Okay, first I'm checking if they can provide for some time without cooling fan, because now I forget where I keep my temporary cooling fan to provide a feedback for this. So now I'm just providing a power. It's okay, and now I'm turning on the inverter. Okay, we have a fault for cooling fan. So first I need to connect the cooling fan for feedback. Okay. Here I keep my cooling fans. Okay, I was found in another inverter. This is my cooling fan, just to provide temporary just for feedback. First I need to remove this glue from here. It's very hard to remove, but it's okay. It's okay. Now I need to provide power again. Turn on the inverter. It's okay. Okay, the inverter is now okay, and providing a 230 volts just on first try. Okay, because we are referring with the theory and practically works together. Okay, so you can troubleshoot a fault easily when you know about the theory and practically works together. Okay, so now our inverter is okay in the backup mode. Now I need to turn off and provide a utility without battery, because this is the VM3 and this system is with can work without battery. So we need to provide a AC input, utility input without battery to sense the power. Now I am providing a grid line in neutral or utility electricity without battery, and we need to sense the inverter AC power. So I'm providing, okay, yes, and the inverter detect the AC power without battery. As you can see, I'm showing you, okay, no any DC power we have in their battery, okay, icon. Now we need to check this without battery in solar mode, okay, PV voltages, and we need to check this. Because this is the VM3 without battery system, you can use this without battery, okay. So now I'm just providing a DC voltages here. First I need to show in the camera, okay. I provide approximately 290 volts DC to operate this system without battery, okay. And the inverter is detect the PV voltages, okay. So it's mean, and we need to turn on to make a voltages from PV. As you can see here, we are receiving from PV voltages 230 volts without battery. This means our inverter is now okay on the three source, from battery, from utility, and from PV solar source, okay. So now we need to just assemble this board again in the body, okay. In this situation we need to remove this control drive card or fit this with this strap, and before the assembling you need to discharge all the capacitors. As you can see, we have here a DC voltages and DC battery side capacitors, okay. Here we have not, so it's okay, we have just 1.8, as does not matter, okay. And now we need to check the bus high voltages, like here. This is the very important thing, okay. Here we have 24 volts, it does not matter and not dangerous, okay. So now we need to assemble this again in the body, so you need to remove this. For easy assembling you need to remove this again. It's okay, it's okay, okay, it's okay. Keep this on the side. After that, a body of this inverter. Keep this here. So that install very carefully, okay. And don't touch the card, the control drive card, with anything, okay. And keep carefully on the specific area, okay. And now you need to just install a screw, don't hide this, okay. Next. Don't tie this first, just count one I install. Okay. 2, 3, 4, and I think this screw is not good to install because for every time the person need to remove this, and this is very hard to install. Now I can install, so I received it, so I need to install here. Okay, this is the 5th. Okay, and I need to type one this, so we are not counting in this. We have just put 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4, and this is the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I need to zoom out. 9 we have. 9. Okay, and we have 10. Okay, and here we have a 6 screw, so I am separating this 6 screw. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here we have a 2 screw to install, so we have a 2 screw to install here. Okay, this is just for this, and I forget the count screw. No, I need to more focus. I think a 10 screw I count. Okay, I need to tighten a 10 screw, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and here we need to install one, but we remove this screw. Okay, so we need to install here again this screw. Okay, and after that this 6 screw we need to install on this solar charge controller. It's okay. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and now we are counting for tightening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we need to connect the strips of this solar charge controller. One strip here we have, it's okay, and one here we have, it's okay, and one here we have. Now I need to install this with this angle tuner. It's okay, and this is the bus negative, bus positive, and this is the cooling fan strips. I need to install. It's okay. And here is another cooling fan. Okay, and after that we need to install this strip. It's okay. And now we need to install this connector. This is the cheapest designing, because when you are tightening this or doing this, okay. It's okay. And now we need to install. Here we have grid neutral. We need to install blue, and here we have grid line, so we need to install brown. And here we have output neutral, blue, and output line, brown. It's okay. And now we need to install here a communication circuit again. Okay, so we need to install like this position. Hold a screw in your screwdriver and just set and install. I need to connect the strip of this communication circuit. It's okay. And now we need to install a air ventilation core again. Okay. Oh, PV. Okay, we need to connect this PV connectors. Positive but loose. We need to tighten this. How you can tighten this? Just push. Okay, little push, don't close. Okay, and here we have a PV positive. It's okay. Now this is the tight connection. And here we need to little tight. Okay, and this is the PV negative. It's okay. Now we need to install air ventilation. So, okay, set there. Here we see Here we receive one hot. It's okay. And from here we not receive, and I have not, so I'm here. Tie. It's okay. To install here a wire of the user. This is the user wires or the customer wires. Okay. This is one positive and this is one negative. Now we need to install alerts on them. I need, before installing the air ventilation core, but now it does the work, so don't need to remove this plastic, but before this we need to install this wire easily. This is 14 here. Yes. Oh man. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's not good. Tired. It's okay. It's done. Let's install. Desktop core, and here we have a strip bar LED power. Okay, here we have, you need to keep this like this, and you can install easily this strip. It's okay. And this is the LED signal strip to glow multiple LEDs, and this is the strip bar LCD. So now we need to close this top core first. It's okay. Now I need to set the direction of this brand and LCD. Okay. Now I need to connect this LCD with this device. Okay. So I need to connect this with my power supply. I think one thing I forgot, the switch. The switch, yes. So I need to remove this top cover again. And there we have, oh man, what does the mistake? I don't install the power switch. So now I need to rotate this, and just I need to install a switch. Check the switch on and off icon and set this. Okay. And after that we have a plastic core here, so I need to install this with this tweezer. That's a little hard on this side. Oh, sorry man, don't cry. Oh man, I need to little hold this. And this is my second time, and this week I am forgetting the power switch, and the reason is that I am keeping this out in the box. When I keep this in the box on the time, okay, so then I cannot forget. But when you keep the switch outside from this box, so you can forget. Okay, that's okay. Now I need to set this top core again. Okay, after that I need to keep here this side and rotate. That's okay. Now I need to connect this again. Okay, on. Okay, and what is okay, and let's check the lightning. Beautiful lightning then. Let's check the lightning. Red color, and I forget this thing name. You know, this is in the boards. That I need to translate this thing. Why I forgetting some things? Then before this, I can call this in English. Like Van Helsing movie. Who watched the Van Helsing movie? Van Helsing. Chamkadar. Okay. Chamkadar. I am translating. Yeah, this is the bat. Bat. Yes. Okay. Now I need to turn off and check this with PV. can, because we install the board in the body and we can mistake in this. So I need to check this again from PV. Okay, the system is detect the solar input.
Kan dia nak tundung lagi. Ya. Nomor ka. Yani böyle bir Cemal'la bir muska hidmet miyajına var yani ne हाँ उम्राना शिया रहत के बाद तू ड्राइवर किसी का हमारी मोबाइल तेज जिंदे अमन के था जहाज के तल का हाँ ऐसे दुकान में आओ दाम महंगा ऊपर
Huh? يعني دقيقة بس دغه چې په دې منځ کې بل کار شروع کړي بیا دی یو نه یو شی پاتې کېږي بیا دی بیخي د بندولو هغه ټایم دی خو اوس خو زه به چیک اوس کم خو مرمت یې اوس نه کېږي صحیح هذا اللي بكتكم رانا ستو غوټه نه ده بیا بدله ځم ورته دیو کې څه مسله
input وګوره input کې کوم شي ډیلې ورکړه چې پتا وګوره
انپوټ خو دې نه راځي
فیوز هم وګوره هغه هم چې
هم؟
فیوز هم وګوره
فیوز روغ دی چیک وکړه بیا ولې انپوټ بیا ولې نه راځي فیوز خو ستا جوړ دی په سیسټم کې بیا دنده مسله ده سپارک خو کوي یاره نو اوس ورته راغی که نه نه وګوره که نه وګوره پنسل لاین ښایي که نه نه صحیح دی هلته به پاور کیبل کې به دې څه مسله یې ښه او یا دا پیوز ما راوویستو تا به صحیح کلک کړی نه و غلط
دا خبره هم ده خو خیر دی ته بیا دغه ښه په تسلۍ سره بیا هم چک کړه زه خو یم ټیک شو هسې دغه کېږده که نه دا بل هم چې که ده دې کوم دغه مسله ده پاور کیبل خو ما دوه څکې خو درې څلور مې لګولې
نو دغه پیوز کې د شکمنو بهرحال زه به یې کلاو کړم
خیر دی بیا هم کلاو کړه ګوره
تسلۍ نه به یې وباسو که نه چېرې تسلۍ بخش شي په دې حال کې ستا نمبر شته 0333 93 51 516
نه نه دا نه دی زه بل نمبر بدل کړم نه په دې بل نمبر
نمبر راته ووایه
098 17 74
17 74 څه نوم دی
عارف اقبال
جی
عارف
عارف اقبال صحیح شو دا بل
بل هم دې کوم دغه مسله ده دې له هم input نه راځي
دا مې یوې بیټرۍ والا دی
دواړه برابر
دې باندې سره لیکلی نشته دې کې د اوس مسله ده روغه دې پنکه خرابه ده دا دواړه به له زه وګورم مکمل ښه دا پرېږده صحیح ده
بیا به داسې شوي که نه
ها
ټرمینیټر به هم دواړه ورله بدلې کړي
صحیح ده
صحیح شو
ها
ښه په تسلۍ سره دغه لږ ځان له چیک کړم هغه نه
صحیح ده،
پوهېږم.
ها؟
بیا انشاءالله څه ډېم درنه کوم
زه به ته کار وکړم ورځ دوه کې به کېږي ښه
ورځ دوه
ها، نمبر راته بیا ووایه
46
ها
098
ها
17 74
څه نوم عارف
عارف اقبال
صحیح ده ها زه کار وکړم صحیح ده
ته به داسې چل وکړو که نه که دغه پاتې کړو انشاءالله سبا دغه وکړو کوشش وکړه
صحیح ده
مازم نن دغه لږ پاتې که نه دا سهار
سهار به کوشش کوم خو زه پخپله یم بیمار او دې یو سړي سره مې لوس کړی چې دا سر ته اوس ورسېږي که نه
زه صحیح دی دا انشاءالله سهار بیا ده
ټیک ده ښه صحیح ده وعلیکم السلام Okay. Now I need to check this and water. The AC. Okay. I need to provide AC power to this because I checked this from PV. Now I need to check this from utility. I just received 2 more inverters for repairing. The one is ready, but they said this is in the doubtful. So, we need to check properly. And for this situation, I was smart one thing. This is okay. This thing is good to just install like that and just tight. This one is tight. It's okay, but for this I need to connect some properly lead, connect proper lead, but we have a lot of types of connectors, so this is the difficulties for us. Okay, I need to connect red with red because I need to check the line, input line, and I need to receive line with output line. Okay, don't worry about this wires. Hey man, are you hungry? Angry? Angry with me? Why? Okay, now we need to check the charging amps. So the electron is flowing like this, but first I need to connect this another plug. Oh man, oh man, everything is isolated. Electron is flowing in this direction. So we need to attach our multimeter like this because here we have a negative icon. Okay, now we have a negative because the inverter is consuming the power from battery. Now as you can see, providing charging to the battery. Okay, I just restart. I turn off my utility because my battery is full, and now I need to read the charging amps. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 18. Yes, this is set. I think this is set on 30 amps. Yes, this is set on 30 amps. Okay, and our charging limit is okay, not over current. Okay, so our utility, now we need to check the line with line. So I need to remove my glove because I need to provide earth to this and water for line checking. So here we have first line in the yellow. Okay, here we have a yellow and the line, and I need to receive this on brown, but first I need to turn on the inverter. Okay, and after that I need to receive a line on this wire. Okay, because I provide the line on this, so I need to receive again on this, not on this. Okay, so that's completely okay. And now this is the battery mode, and this is the special thing in this inverter, this light icon. When you look the red light, so it's mean the inverter is running just from the battery, and when you look in the blue mean this is completely running from PV voltages, and when you receive a green. So this is the difficult thing to remember, man. Okay, the customer can remember. Okay, oh man. Okay, now this inverter, no any words we need to we need to just close and write my effort money on this. I received just this one screw for this core. One more. If I install 4 or 6, the people are throwing because the electrician is lazy. They don't tight hand remove the screw, 4 or 6 screw. They just able to remove 2 screw and tight 2 screw. I received just 1 screw on this car and 1 screw I install from my side. Okay, and I am not counting this screw in the cost. Okay, and some I not remove this. This inverter I received before, and I write a money, and a third party get a benefits, and they remove my cost, and they receive more money from this customer, and now this customer has direct come with me. Okay, so now I need to write this my money. Let's make this step. Okay, now I need to write a number. The person who called me, this is my inverter, so I need to write a number. Okay, this live ending, and take care, and I'm coming back live with another topic. Take care.